College One Fibro Season Part ka result ka bade jong gini ki post ki ba per ki balaj applied na Government of Meghalaya Office of the District Ayush Society East Khas Hill Shillong tegi de jong gini ki santli ki post the result of the successful candidate appear for written examination to the following post have been released in the website tipila ban yo na po official website meghal.gov.in tegi post ki de jong ka medical officer homeopathic PhD medical officer ayurvedic district program manager district accountant but multi-purpose worker telah dan apeng nyopi ki ba apply kene ka kine ki post bat ki ba like tho kine ki exam te sape i karteng jong kine ki post ka fer te jong ka medical officer homeopathic PhD apan ilang karteng marks obtain ailang ne Roni Rebhalina Susi Yadarimon Ibakordor Iwan Darika, Gledi, Ferdinand, Bador, Majman, Bilona, Betshida, Mekaru, Hendrulin, Morisa, Nida Kirku, Dakibiang, McDonald, Mandakani, Memorika, Pidabari, Badondor, Risuk, Kenjai, Semiyong, Kinere Jongka Homeopathic, dan Seki Medical Officer Jongka Ayurvedic, Dariti, Kernelson, Riba, Kraulin, Daphne, Mak Telang, Bandrilang, Bawan Risa, Nishahun, Rigafi, Skamtre, Tosilma, Bishardame, Chilang, Litwilina, Pameda, Rinika, Unity, Wanbiang, Alisha, Daphne, Rosinia, Safidaroy, Lamonlin, Tejongkaneka Multi-Purpose Worker, MPW, Risa Shisha Dingdo, Kimak Sapek yang tu ada pai Kimak Sru, Pinskem Borlang, Step Hernai, Cleverington, Nerista, Presisia, Wanshalan, Bestalin, Di, Larissa, Ibayasul, Kentulin, Larissa, Ridis, Tejongka District Program Manager, tu ada pai ringkat roll number, ringkat Kimak Subtain, Laura, Weldy Lansoklet, Per Saralin Gatpo, Mati Bahun Wanswet, Bat Rida John Lamare. Jongka Die District Accountant, Asenta Eleda Mejuri Shisha, Bandarilang, Glory, Yalamiki, Jeremiah, Kenlang, Purabi, Yutang Kriam. Tehang nila thoma baik post apply for board. Tehang nila sora board sora board. Tehang kiba apply ngatrai glatip hi. Kabadesh A. Then important note kan mau ha second one page ni. Above mentioned candidate are to report at the conference hall. Pihak report kita gila don hangate kalis. Office of the District Medical and Health Officer Lower Lachumer Shillong on the 6th September. 3 September pihak report at 10 a.m. Candidate are to bring along with them all relevant document in original and admit card. Pihak kata. Candidate who fail to appear on the above mentioned date will have no claims whatsoever for any consideration. Take labu be indrotrik, hablay be indrotrik, original documents bro, admit card ladap kimla, tumba kimla shu ban yo yakin di post ladu angne, wa kim don shu kata karaj ban claim ban yo ekte. Sampai yang tu ikertang, jung iti kisan terli post, tanggi nih yang betep, flash one.